Accumulating 10 crore through SIP may look like a Herculean task, but would you believe if I tell you that you can make 10 crores with a monthly SIP of just 6,000 rupees? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel 5 Minute Finance. In this video, we are going to tell you how much you need to invest in mutual funds via SIPs to accumulate a gigantic sum of 10 crore rupees. We'll also share a hack towards the end of the video for those who are unable to start with a large initial investment. We'll see how you can start with a small amount and still reach the substantial 10 crore corpus. So let's begin with the first step to reach your goal amount. Investing early not only provides ample time to achieve your goals comfortably, but it also harnesses the power of compounding, which helps you earn significantly higher returns in the long run. To understand it better, let's look at some numbers. So take a look at your screens. If you start investing at the age of 25, you'll need to do a monthly SIP of rupees 15,550 to accumulate 10 crore rupees by the time you reach retirement age of 60. Here we have assumed 12% rate of return. Now let's see what happens if you delay investing by just 5 years. So if you start investing at the age of 30, the monthly SIP amount that you need to reach 10 crore almost doubles to 28,613 rupees. So you can see how delaying your investments increases the burden on your cash flows and requires greater effort to reach the same target corpus. So now you know how much you need to invest to make 10 crores by the time you retire. But wait, it may not be feasible for all of us to take out 15,000 rupees out of our salary to invest every month. That could be due to n number of reasons. You may have another commitments like paying your education loan or other family needs to take care of. Or maybe simply you're not able to save that much after paying for your monthly expenses. Well, don't worry, we have got you covered. In the beginning of this video, if you remember, I had mentioned about a monthly SIP of just 6,000 rupees to reach 10 crore corpus. So how is it possible? We did the math and it showed that if you start with a monthly SIP of rupees 6,000 at the age of 25 years and keep increasing your monthly SIP amount every year by 10%, so which means in year 1 you invest 6,000 via SIPs, in year 2 you increase your SIP to 6,600 rupees, year 3 your SIP amount increases further to 7,260 and so on. You can accumulate a corpus of 10 crore rupees by the time you retire at 60. We have assumed a rate of return of 12% here as well. You can see SIP amount for different age groups with and without annual increase in amount on your screen. So if you're 30 years old and starting an SIP of 28,000 seems difficult, you may start with an SIP of 12,500 and again continue to increase it by 10% every year. Similarly, you can check the required SIP amount for other age groups as well. So you see how you can start small and still accumulate a huge corpus. What is required is discipline while investing. Now, if you want to reduce the required SIP amount further, you can invest the annual bonus towards your 10 crore goal as well. So what are you waiting for? Kickstart your journey to 10 crore corpus today. And if you're wondering where to put your money, you may go to the ET Money app and check out the list of best SIP funds. Or if you have already got some funds in mind, take a peek at the ET Money Fund Report Card for a detailed analysis of each fund. Best part, you can invest in them with 0% commissions on ET Money. Yup, that's right, absolutely free. Wait, there's more. ET Money also lets you modify the amount of your SIP whenever you want. So you can increase your SIP annually or sooner as per your comfort. This brings us to the end of this video. If you liked this video, subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends and family. If you have any questions, ask us in the comments below.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.